Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to connect ChatGPT in Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into your account here on Monday.com. And once when you do that, the next thing that you need to do is you have to go to Zaps or Zapier.com. And once when you're here, you need to click on Create and Zaps. So you need to add a trigger and an action. So the trigger will be Monday.com. And we need to select an event here. You can select any event that you find relatable to what you need to do. Uh, so I'm gonna go with this one. And the action here will be ChatGPT. And here the event is going to be, you can select any event, according to your liking, but I'm gonna select conversation with assistant, this one. So the trigger is whenever a new user is added to Monday.com, then the action will be a conversation with an assistant on ChatGPT. So this will be the action of this trigger. So we're good with that. The final thing we need to do is we have to connect the accounts on Monday.com and ChatGPT to get going. So you just need to sign in. This one is a bit tricky. So let me tell you how to do it. You need to click here, and then they are going to give you, they're going to ask actually for the API key that you can find on your profile here on Monday.com. You need to go here and click your profile, and then you have to go here to developers. Once when you're here, you need to go and click on my access tokens. So you are going to copy this, and then you need to come back here, and then you can sign in right away. You need to paste this access token here, and once when you do it, you need to click sign in, and you'll be good to go. The next thing that you need to do is you need to sign in with ChatGPT as well. That is pretty easy to do. You just need to go to ChatGPT and you have to sign into your account, your Google account, and you will be good to go. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.